Hey guys, Mike Walworth with GAAP Dynamics. We know that the global pandemic has put live training on hold, and therefore getting your CPE can be difficult. No worries, we're here to help. GAAP Dynamics has put together a free, you heard it right, free periodic webinar series specifically designed for regional accounting firms and member firms of Big Four global networks. Our hope is that this series, we can get you 8 CPE credits throughout the year. In fact, we just got finished with our first webinar yesterday, and it scored a 4.9 out of 5, and here's some of the comments. Your ability to summarize complex technical material is always much appreciated. Great speakers, good delivery, balance of seriousness and personality, which always works for these topics. And it was a fun webinar. I don't know about you, but anytime you can put together fun and accounting training in the same sentence, I think we've done our job. Anyway, the next webinar in the series is coming up on February 18th, and we're going to cover the accounting issues associated with COVID-19. The rest of the webinars in the series are as follows. On April 29th, we're going to be doing top 5 Excel tips and tricks with a guest speaker, David Ravitch from UCLA University. On May 6th, we're going to do overview of ASUs effective in 2021. On August 26th, we're going to do using webinars to train your people and grow your practice. And finally, on September 23rd, we're going to cover key findings noted by inspectors and peer reviewers. All you have to do is fill out the form on our website to sign up for these webinars. And then 2 weeks prior to the webinars, you'll be notified of the specifics and how to register. So it's very easy. Just sign up, and we hope to see you there. Take care, everyone.